All right, folks, Andy Wildman here again. We're going to shoot our first Tannerite video coming right up here, and we've decided to see if we can figure out what the blast radius is for a 1 pound container of Tannerite. So we got ourselves a round bale. Probably this must be 200-300 pounds of hay here, all baled up or round baled up, and we cut the cord off it, so it's not loose. It's still wrapped, but it's not tied together. We're gonna burrow ourselves a hole right out of the center of that bale. We're gonna put a pound of Tannerite in it. We're gonna back up to a safe shooting distance, and we're gonna blow it up. And we're gonna bring the camera back down and see just how much the hay scattered around. Kind of, if we can see what a radius that we get for a blast radius here is. This is our first Tannerite video on the MB Wildman channel, so we hope it works out well. We're gonna have a couple, 3 different camera angles, so stay with us. We're gonna set this up, and we'll see what happens. Just get in there about as far as you can reach will be all right. If you have to pull a little bit of hay out of the middle, that's fine. We've got to get our Tannerite container to go in there as far as we can. Hopefully we can get to the center of the bale. All right, guys, Dylan's getting our hole all reamed out here to put our Tannerite in. We got some cameras set up. Got my GoPro back here in behind. That'll be looking at the back of the bale facing the shooter, and we got another GoPro up on this tree out here. Okay, so we're getting that ready, and we'll have a couple different camera angles from back where we shoot. Please keep in mind, if you're going to do this kind of stuff with Tannerite, you want to keep safety first, please. You're going to want to make sure you're back the minimum distance, whatever it says on the Tannerite container that you buy, whatever it might be 100 yards, might be 150, whatever they recommend. Make sure you at least back that far, and make sure that what you're blowing up doesn't have any kind of shrapnel or anything that can fly. We're also going to have fun here. We're going to mount a camera right on the bale. I'll probably never find this after the explosion, but we're going to give it a go, and we're going to mount this camera. We're going to call this the disposable one, since I'm not even sure we'll be able to find it when we're done here. But we're going to mount it facing right up at the shooter, so that we can get a real close-up view and a up-close and personal view of what happens to this bale when it explodes. So we'll get her all set up, and we'll show you what happens. All right, we're going to mix up the Tannerite. Go ahead, Dylan, just to get that, open that up, and should be a little plastic or a little package in there. Yeah, all right, so that should be the gray powdery stuff. We'll try to open that up all the way. Try not to let too much of it blow. It's so windy out today, but all right, so we'll just pour that into our white. Yeah, as soon as you get it all in there. Perfect. Cover on, and we'll shake that up real good. You want all of the white to make sure the cover screws on tight. Yeah. Okay. We'll shake that up and make sure that the gray gets all over everything. All right, we'll give that a good stir. All right, nice. We're back here about 100 meters. That's what it says on the instructions on the Tannerite. Stay back 100 meters. We've got a target there, and we're going to take our Tannerite up and put it in the hole in the center of the hay bale. And then we're going to back up, and we're going to shoot it from back here. We want to make sure we're at a safe distance. All right, guys, so we got our hole all pulled out here, and we're in there. Oh, we're in there quite a ways. I mean, we're in there about 1.5 feet, maybe more. We couldn't quite get halfway through the bale. It's really tough to pull the hay out of the middle of that bale. So we're going to take our Tannerite. We're going to jam it in that hole. This is as far as we can jam it. Just get her in there, go tight. I'm going to try to set the container up if I can. There we go. Flat. There she is, right in there. Turn it a little bit. Perfect. 1 pound of Tannerite, 250 to 300 pound round bale. And we are going to put in this, we just got a red plastic bag here. We're going to shove it in the hole, just so that when we back up to our 100 meters, we know what we're shooting at. We're shooting at that orange right there. Okay, we'll the scope, we should be able to see that, no problem. That looks really good. Okay, we're going to set this up. We're going to get some cameras running. We got a camera here on the top. We're going to get it started. We got 2 GoPros here, and then we'll run a couple cameras from back where the shooter is. All right, GoPro 1 is rolling. Dylan, you rolling? GoPro 2 is rolling. Perfect. Hay bale is set. Tannerite's in place. We We got Rob up there setting up camera 3. All right. We got Dylan getting all set up in his little crow's nest here. He's 100 meters back from our hay bale. Down there set with the Tannerite. Got a little bit of wind coming out of the north. Hopefully that won't be too big a deal. All right. Get your glasses on, bud?
Yeah.
Okay, all set. All right, so this is, what are you shooting with? Dylan 223?
Yep.
Excellent. Rob, you set?
Good to go.
Both cameras rolling?
Yes.
All right. Let's see how this looks. Whenever you're ready, sport. Try number 1. Hope you brought lots of bullets. Try number 2. Woo! Well, that's interesting.
I think we need more Tannerite.
I think we need more Tannerite. Well, we're gonna walk up and take a look at that. Pretty sure that we forgot to start the camera that was right on top of the bale, so we may have actually just blown that up and it wasn't even running. Well, let's see what we got. Well, we did blow it up some. We got our plastic bag. It's all over the place here. Oh yeah, I bet my camera in the back might have got some. Let's see here. Well, we got some hay. We blew the back. We blew the back part right out of it somehow. We got some hay scattered around here. It didn't exactly do what I had hoped. We're definitely going to need more Tannerite for try number 2, and possibly another hay bale. Let's see. Well, we blew a section of it away anyway. It's a little looser now to get at. Indeed. Pull that piece up right there. That piece there. No, that one there. Look, for the hole. Pull that away. All right, well, we definitely blew a hole in the hay bale. But I was kind of hoping we'd have a humongous big hay rainstorm, and what we did was we blew a hole in the hay bale. All right, well, you know what 1 pound of Tannerite will do to a round bale. All right, so we got 1 more pound of Tannerite to try here. What we decided to do is we're gonna bring our pound of Tannerite down and we're gonna put it right in this hole right here where we just made from the first pound of Tannerite. And we're gonna give her another shot. There we go. Our 2nd pound of Tannerite. Certainly loosen up the hay bale. All right, let's go give it a go. All right, 1 pound of Tannerite versus hay bale. Take 2. Same hay bale. After 1 pound of Tannerite, we had an extra pound here, so we thought, why not give it a try? Here we go. Whenever you're ready. First shot, bud. That's better.
One shot, 1 kill.
So when it says not to use flammable material,
It probably meant things that would burn.
okay, let's go check that out. we are definitely going to require more tannerite. Although, we did some damage again. It's definitely a humongous hot, oh, very warm. Ooh, she's warm in there. A warm hole. Definitely a little more damage at the back here. But 1 pound of tannerite at a time is not enough for a round bale of this size. Alright, so this is our first try at the MB Wildman channel of our Tannerite Versus series. In this case, it was Tannerite versus hay bale. And we're going to get this cleaned up and put away. And next time we try a hay bale or something of this size, we're going to use a little more tannerite, I think. That's all for now. This episode, NB Wildman out.